Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll solve the Leetcode 28th question, that is find the index of the first occurrence in a string. So the problem statement is that given two strings needle and haystack, return the index of the first occurrence of needle in haystack or -1 if needle is not part of a haystack. So basically input, so as I've said that there are two strings, one is haystack, another one is a needle. So we have to return the index of the first occurrence. So if we have to return the first occurrence of the string in this haystack. If there is no occurrence of that this string in this particular, we have to return -1. So this is what the problem statement. So the second part of the string needs to be a part of the first string. We have to return that index if, first occurrence of that index. If it is not a part of the first string, you will return -1, right? So this is what, for example, see in the example 2, haystack, the haystack is basically a string. So it has a Leetcode and needle has a Leetcode. So basically this substring is basically not a part of this string. So that is why Leetcode did not occur in Leetcode. So we will return -1. If that part of that substring is not occurring, so we will return -1. So let us trace the code. Yeah. So basically there is one class called as a solution. Inside that we have the function str string. So it has two inputs. One is haystack and needle, as I said you. So I have just taken a variable which stores the length of an. So I'll just write it down here. Haystack is equal to sad but sad, and needle equals to, it is sad. Okay, and yeah, so I am just taking the length of this haystack. Basically this length of this, what is the length of it? Is basically a 9, and I'm storing it in m variable, and also n, what is the length of it? 3, and I'm storing it in n variable. So after this we'll come to the actual iteration of the loop. So for I is equal to, so we will take this as an example. So for I, int I is equal to 0. When I is equal to 0, so 0 is less than or equal to m minus n. So here you can see m minus n. So m minus n is nothing but m is 9, 9 minus 3, it is basically 6. So it is true. 0 is less than or equal to 6, it is true. So you will come inside if haystack dot substring, I, what is I? 0, comma I plus n. 0 plus n is 3. 0 plus 3 is basically 3. So 0, 3. Basically how the substring works in Java means, so it's basically start and end -1 you have to consider. 3 minus 1, it is 2. Okay. So it is basically like end -1, it is 2. So 0, 2, it starts from index. So haystack, this substring 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2, this part, it takes this part, haystack dot substring. So it takes this part of this substring dot equals. So what is a needle? It is a sad. So here also we got sad. Is sad equals sad? Yes, it is true. So we will return an I value. So what is an I value basically here? Here it is 0. This is an index. So the first occurrence of a string, that is an index, is 0. So this was an easy example. Let us see what was another example they've given. So this is an example. So we will take this example. So here we will get, so I'll just trace how we will get. Sorry, I'll just trace here. Okay. So the input is basically, input haystack is Leetcode and the needle is Leetcode, right? So for first we'll go through what is the length of this. It is 8, and what is the length of this? It is 5. Okay, m value length is 8 and n value length is 5. Okay, so for int I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. So haystack dot substring, if it is 0, I mean 0 is less than or equal to 3, it is true. Haystack dot substring 0 comma 0 plus 5, it is 5. 0 plus n dot equals Leetcode. So 0 comma 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3 till 4. You will get LEETC. Okay. Leetcode dot equals Leetcode. See here it is LEETO, but here it is LEETC. So which is not equal, it is false. Again I'll come and increment the value of I. I becomes now 1. I is equal to 1. 1 is less than or equal to 3. 1 is less than or equal to 3. It is true. Haystack dot substring what is 1 comma 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6 dot equals Leetcode. Okay, 1 comma 6 is nothing but it starts from E T 0 1 2 3 4 5 T C O. Okay, dot equals Leetcode. Is both substrings are equal? No, it is false. So when I is equal to 0 also it is false. When I is equal to 1 also it is false. Now let us see when I is equal to 2 what will happen. Now I value gets incremented to 2. So I is equal to 2. 2 is less than or equal to 3. 2 comma 2 plus 5. What is 2 plus 5? It is 7. I mean you will get ETCOD dot LET. Is this both equal? No, it is false. Next, when I is equal to 3, 3 is less than or equal to 3, it is true. Substring of 3 comma 3 plus 5 is 8. Now what you will get? ETCOD E. I mean it starts from 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. No, it starts from T. T0 is equal to LETO. No, it is false. So when anything, I mean, so every condition is falling false. So that is why, so it is not at all equal. If it is not at all equal, you will return as -1. So this is all about how do we find the first occurrence of a string. So I hope it is very clear. So let me just run this code. I hope it's clear. So let me run the code. Oh, there is some error. Yeah, there was some extra. I just missed it. It's taking a little bit of time to run. Let's wait. Oh, Wi-Fi is connected. Yeah, it's done. You can see output is 0, expected is also 0. Test case. Yeah, done. Case 2 you will see. Yeah. So let me submit it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe.